Alrighty, so with the announcement of Nintex Promapp Mobile, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the application, where to find it, what the install looks like, how to authenticate to it, so on, so forth, and a bit of a tour around. So this is the Promapp site that I'm going to connect to. So we should be able to see what sort of similarities we can draw from the web-based version into the app that we're going to download. So I'm using a Samsung S21. Going to search for Promapp from within the Play Store. We can have a look at what the app page looks like on the Play Store. So I've got a few help videos, got some screenshots in there. I've got the information about the app, got the developer contact, so on and so forth. So we're just going to install and it'll download. So just under 24 meg for the app on Android. Obviously, if you're using an iPhone or an iPad, using that respective Apple Store. All right. So just under a minute to do the install there. That could well be my Wi-Fi rather than anything mobile related. Lovely splash screen there. Open process links without having to log in. Offline processes, which I really like that feature as well. Obviously, without the requirement for Wi-Fi, still being able to view processes and the ability to sign up for a free trial from the app. So we're going to finish there. We'll pop in the Promapp URL that we have. So it is au.promapp.com/solution in a day. So let's just pop that in. au.promapp.com/solution in a day. Next. I'm just going to sign in here. Be back in a second. Okay, that's just going to load all the processes that I've got access to. So it's going to do, that was pretty quick actually. It's already downloaded a fair amount. Looks like it's doing some more downloading if you look at the top left there. And now I've got access to my processes. Up in the menu, I've got some settings here. So deleting attachments, setting the language and the version. It's currently doing a sync by the looks of things, and some links out. But we're here for processes. So let's have a look at the purchase request process that's at the top here. We've got the process map, which I can quite easily zoom in and out of. I can select the scale too. So I'm able to actually see, and I can squeeze to zoom if that's not something that I want to take a predetermined. So it's quite easy to navigate around this process. Clicking on tile is going to bring up the underlying work instructions. Clicking on the note is going to bring the pop-up of the underlying text, which I really like that as well. So nice and easy to view. Click on the ellipsis here so I can add feedback to this process. And up here, I've got the option to share the process out. Going through the process procedural view, it's going to show me everything that's in the actual process, so I can follow that on my mobile device. I've got my process hierarchy here as well, so clicking on a specific option, I can go in to my different processes hierarchically. Same thing again. And I can search my processes. If we've got variations as well, so for our advertised position, we've got variations there. So we'll go with the as is. It's going to allow me to drop down to the to be process. So I've got my process variations there as well. Really quick, really easy to get Promapp mobile installed and start using processes on the go. Love it. Let us know what you think.